Only on 7, a wife in shock after her husband, a former state cop, is sentenced to prison for racketeering. Luke Davis was a police lieutenant in a drug unit out of the Monroe Post.
Today he tried to withdraw his plea deal, but the judge said no way and sent him away. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner takes you inside the courtroom.
50-year-old Luke Davis has gone through several attorneys while his case was languishing in the system for 5 years. The 7 Action News investigators caught up with him in 2010 while he was suspended from the state police, but with full pay and denying any wrongdoing.
I'm not guilty of anything, bro.
No, you didn't do anything wrong?
No, I didn't. So I don't know what's going on exactly. They won't tell me.
Davis, along with Lieutenant Emmanuel Riapel and civilian Lawrence Dussault, are all charged with running a criminal enterprise in the local drug unit called the Office of Monroe Narcotics Investigations. They're accused of taking property seized in drug raids, everything from cars and boats to designer purses and big screen TVs. Davis was hit with 24 counts, and he pleaded guilty to the most serious: racketeering.
Police officers, prosecutors, judges, lawyers, and people in those occupations are held to a higher standard.
Davis today wanted to withdraw his guilty plea. The judge said no and immediately imposed the sentence in the deal, 2 to 20 years in prison. This is an act of desperation.
Well, I think you can look at it as an act of desperation. And what he did in this case is allowed by the system.
You were the captain of the ship, Mr. Davis.
Emily McCoy at one point was Davis's mistress and a witness against him. Then he married her, and she became off limits with spousal privilege. She and other family members emotionally supporting the former cop, whose last attempt to delay his case again failed.
A cop doesn't change the fact that what you're thinking in your head and what is going through Mr. Davis's mind when he's taking this plea.
It won't be easy for the Michigan Department of Corrections to decide where to put Davis, who spent many years as a state police officer, put a lot of guys in prison. Experts say they may even have to put him in another state. In Monroe, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.